बट फॉर माई सेल्फ बिकॉज मैंने ऐसा सॉन्ग ऐसा आइटम डांस कभी किया नहीं है और आई डोंट कम फ्रॉम अ डांस बैकग्राउंड मेरे लिए ये चीज़ें बहुत प्रो नहीं है आई एम नॉट अ प्रो एट डांसिंग सो जब एक ऐसे आइटम नंबर आपको दिया जाता है एंड स्पेशली यू नो विद सारे गामा विद सो मच ऑफ एंड यू नो इतना प्रेशर था बिकॉज एंटायर सारे गामा टीम वॉज लाइक मिया वी आर रूटिंग फॉर यू यू नो दिस सॉन्ग इज़ आर ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग एंड वी हैव सो मेनी होप्स फ्रॉम दिस सो मैं उतनी नर्वस होती चली गई सो ऑल आई कुड डू वॉज जस्ट यू नो आई स्टार्टेड cycling more I started working out more I stopped eating रिहर्सल्स जहाँ एक एक घंटे की रिहर्सल्स होती है मैं वहाँ 3-3 घंटे रिहर्सल हॉल में रहती थी बिकॉज आई वॉज सो नर्वस आई वॉज सो अंडर प्रेशर एंड आई डिड नॉट नो दैट आई विल बी एबल टू पुल दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सॉन्ग ऑफ बिकॉज हमने अपनी कंट्री में I think the best item numbers have been churned out. The women, you know, take it Katrina Kaif or Malaika Arora Khan or you know Chamma Chamma, Urmila Matondkar. So these kind of songs are there, and then this was there. So I didn't want to be a mediocre. So मैंने अपनी जान दी इस song के लिए. I did. I mean, I think my best. But फिर भी अगर नहीं निकल के आया, I am sorry, but I was very very happy and how I'm looking, yes, I loved myself in this. I'm sorry.
साइकिलिंग के साथ साथ डाइटिंग भी की आपने
मैंने डाइटिंग नहीं मैंने खाना ही छोड़ दिया था मतलब आई डेंट नो बिकॉज it is just my thing you know once something I wanted to look very very fit for this song I wanted to do full justice to the outfit that they had given me it's like a full kamaria and so I just wanted to I don't know so एक दिन नहीं मैंने 7 दिन शायद I'd been eating just quinoa and little food and I don't know और रिहर्सल करते करते कई बार चक्कर भी आ जाते थे बीच में but I just went all out and I'm so happy this is the outcome of the song and once एक चीज़ एक प्रोडक्ट अच्छा निकल के आता है सो आपकी सारी मेहनत इक्वल हो जाती है तो मैं एक दिन में आई थिंक जिम किया और साइकिलिंग किया मतलब मैं आई थिंक आई हैड फीवर ऑल्सो वन नाइट आई डेंट नो इतना कुछ मतलब एक्सर्शन का अलग लेवल था बट दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू गिव to this.
Yeah, you're a go-getter, and इतनी आपने मेहनत करी है. Cycling, of course, has been all over. Now we know it was for Fouquet. You know, अब आप अपने आप को स्क्रीन पे देखते हो. How happy are you to see yourself? Of course, you're looking lovely, and we feel the song on you. It's looking lovely. So, what do you have to say on that?
I feel that the nervousness level goes to another this thing because सब बहुत expect करते हैं मेरे से मेरी looks मेरा ये तो मैं हमेशा अपने इतना psyched out हो जाती हूँ that I have a meltdown. I think I have cried before this song because मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा था that I will be able to do anything. I will look nice. So there is so much of headache that I take. You know, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. So I had many meltdowns before I did this, and I had jitters and I shiver and everything. I mean, I've gone through all those phases just to make it right, just to look right, and even to get one look right, it takes like 100 efforts from my side. I don't know. But if it's just you know
you always look glamorous, you're looking gorgeous, and there's such a nice factor to the whole song, you know, the clothes, the look,
yes.
the hair, makeup. So what's been your input in the whole, putting it together? Because we know you are, a complete diva when it comes to style. So what do you have to say on that?
That's what I just said. I did everything I could, whatever was in my hand. The Saregama team had rested their faith in me. I didn't want to let them down. Every day, I think Rashna, Radhika, everybody, the business, they used to text me. And even after the song came, I think the business head of Saregama texted me that you will be proud of yourself when the song comes out. Then they wanted me to see the song. So I realized that they are so happy. I'm sure it must have been something nice. So I did what I could, and I'm very happy this song is there.
Any question?